So here's the deal. You can come to Costa Rica and you can go stay at the fancy resorts, eat the fancy food, but you've got to experience the culture. This culture is so beautiful, it's so amazing. There's so much stuff to see that you will never experience if you just go stay at a resort, chill on the beach. Like, this is where the magic happens, is going with the locals who show you exactly what they do, what their culture is, what their society is like, how their everyday to day living is like. And I'm telling you, you'll go to these places where they're completely self-sufficient. If some natural disaster or something was to come, they can completely take care of themselves. I think there's so much power in that. All right, Sissy.
Yeah?
What's been your favorite part of this trip?
Well, it's playing with like the Costa Rican kids and talking in Spanish and learning more and more. We take baby steps to learn lots of Spanish, and playing with this little girl named Brenda. We went to our house and she wanted to play. She's really shy, and the yummy food that they make, like the rice and the pancakes. And
Rita's a dang good cook, isn't she?
Mm-hmm. My brothers and I, we played with the boy in like a little hut kind of thing. And yeah, it's just been so fun.
That is a cool looking butterfly right there. What are you looking at, River?
A butterfly, its wings are like craziest turquoise blue, and it's like shimmery. So we went to a butterfly farm where it's Fabian's butterfly farm, and we went there and it's full of those ones. So they raise them so then they can do like tests on them and stuff. And we got to go in there and hold them and everything. But so I got to see close up to their wings, and it's like super shimmery. And the reason why you don't want to touch their wings is because like they literally are insanely stuff. So, and if you do touch them, like there was a dead one on the ground that was still all full, and so I just touched that one, and I got the wings, and I rubbed on the wings. And when you rub on the wings, it goes clear. Like the wing goes clear.
These are things that they found just from their farming. There's pieces of pottery, pieces of just crazy stuff they're finding up here. These are all things that they found from working the land.